Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 1.2 from the chapter decimals. Okay, see the first question. Identify the group that has like decimals. Like decimals means the decimal numbers which are having the same number of decimal places. Those decimal numbers are called like decimals. So we have to check the number of decimal places in each decimal numbers. Okay, see the first number 8.4, 8.41 and 8.1. Here only one decimal place is there. Here two decimal places. Here one decimal places. These decimal numbers are having different number of decimal places. So these decimal numbers are unlike decimals. Okay, see the next one. Here 1.61, two decimal places, 24.30, two decimal places, 1.67, again two decimal places. These decimals are, decimal numbers are having two decimal places, same number of decimal places. So these decimals are like decimals. While identifying the like decimals, no need to bother about the whole number part. We have to check the decimal part alone. Okay, see the third one, 7.145. Three decimal places are there. 8.954. Here also three decimal places are there. So these two decimal numbers are like decimals. So these two groups has like decimals. Is it clear? The next question, convert these unlike decimals into like decimals. We are going to convert the unlike decimals to like decimals. Here the decimal place is 1, here two decimal places are there. Now we are going to convert the unlike decimals to like decimals. So 2 is the maximum number of decimal place. So we have to convert the first decimal with two decimal places. Here for that, here one decimal place is there. We need one more decimal place. So we have to add 1 0. Now we got two decimal places. In the second number, already two decimal places are there. Now these two decimal numbers are like decimals. Okay, see the next one. 61, here two decimal places, here 24.3, only one decimal place, here 1.678, three decimal places are there. So the maximum number is 3. So we have to convert the first two decimals with three decimal places. In the first decimal number, we are having two decimal places. We need one more. For that we have to add 1 0. Now we got three decimal places. In the second one, only one decimal place is there. So we have to add two zeros. Okay, then it will become 24.300. Here three decimal places. At the last decimal number, already three decimal places are there. 1.678. Now these decimals are like decimals. Okay, see the last question, 1.28. Here two decimal places, here 8 alone is there. 8 is the whole number part. There is no decimal part. Okay, in the third one, 99.009. Here also the maximum number of decimal places 3. So we have to convert the first two numbers with the three decimal places. Okay, so in the first decimal number 7.28, two decimal places are there. We need one more. For that we have to add 1 0. Then the second number is 8. 8 is the whole number. Here we need three decimal places. So we have to add 3 zeros. And the last number is 99.00. 009. Now see the number of decimal places 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now these decimal numbers are like decimals. Okay. Now we are going to do the problems in next exercise 1.3. Okay. First question, compare each pair. We are going to compare the given decimals. Okay, for that first step we have to compare the whole number part. Okay, see the whole number part 2.35 and 2.36. Whole number part 2, same numbers. So next we have to check the first decimal place, that is 10th place. Here also we are having the same number 3. So we have to check the second decimal place, 100th place. Here we are having 5, here we are having 6. Which is great? 6 is greater. So 2.36 is greater. First step we have to check the whole number part. If the whole number part is same means we have to check the first decimal place and second decimal place, like that we have to compare the numbers. See the next number 0.3 and 0.2. Whole number part is 0. So we have to check the first decimal place 3, 2. So 3 is greater. Okay. The next one 0.80, 0.81. Here also the whole number part is 0. Then the first decimal place 8, the same number. So we are going to check the next decimal place 0, 1. 1 is greater. So 0.81 is greater. See the next one 6.6 and 6.60. If the decimal number has 0 in the last place, there is no value for that 0. So the value of 6.60 is 6.6 only. Okay. So here also we are having 6.6. The value of 6.60 is also 6.6. So these two decimals are equal. Okay. See the next one 6.31, 6.13. Here the whole number part is same 6. Then we have to check the first decimal place. Here 3 is there, here 1 is there. 3 is greater. So 6.31 is greater. The next one 16.01, 16.07. First we have to check the whole number part 16. Then we have to check the first decimal place 0, that also same. Then the second decimal place, here 1, here 7. So 7 is greater. So 16.07 is greater. Was it clear, children? The next question, rewrite in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the given decimals from smaller to greater. So we have to identify the smaller first. What is the first step to compare? We have to check the whole number part, isn't it? Check the whole number part. The first number is 1.1, 1.01, 0.11, 1.11. So the whole number part, here 1, here also 1, here 0. So 0 is the smaller. So this is the first smaller number. Okay. So ascending order, 0.11 is the smaller. Then we have to use the symbol. Okay, then the last one is 1.11. In the 3 decimal numbers, we are having whole number as 1. So what we have to do? We have to check the first decimal place. Here we are having 0. So 1.01 is the second smaller number. Okay, 1.01. In the remaining 2 decimal numbers, the first decimal place 1 is there. So we have to check the next one. Here there is no number. What is the meaning of that? 0 is there. Okay. Here 0 is there. Here we are having 1. Which is smaller? 0 is smaller. So 1.1 is the next smaller and 1.11 is the greatest number. Is it clear? First we have to compare the whole number part. After that we have to check the first decimal place, second decimal place. Okay. See the next set of decimal numbers 0.5, 0.52, 0.25 and 0.252. Here the whole number part is 0. So we have to check the first decimal place. 5, 5, 2, 2. So while comparing 5 and 2, 2 is smaller. But in two decimal numbers, we are having 2 in the first decimal place. So we have to check the next decimal place. Here 5, 5, same. So what next? We have to check the third one. Here there is no number means 0 is there. Here 2. So which is smaller? 0.25 is the smaller. So ascending order, the first smaller number is, decimal number is 0.25. Okay, then 0.252 is the second smaller, 0.252. Okay, then from these two we have to compare, we have to identify the next smaller number. Here we have to check the next decimal place. Here 0 is there, here 2. Which is smaller? 50 is smaller, 0.50 is smaller. So 0.5 is the next smaller decimal number and 0.52 is the greater number. This is the ascending order for the given decimal numbers. Then the next question, 21.1, 2.11, 0.211, 0.121. First we have to compare the whole number part. 21, 2, 0, 0. So 0 is the smaller number. In two decimal numbers we are having 0. So what we have to do? In these two decimal numbers we have to check the first decimal place. Here 2, there 1. So 1 is the smaller. So ascending order, 0.121 is the smaller. Then 0.211. Here by comparing the whole number part we can say that 2.11 is the smaller. Then 21.1 is the greater number. Is it clear? Then see the next set of decimal numbers. 8.0, 0.08, 0.008, 0.80. Okay, first we have to compare the whole number part. Here 8000. In these three decimal numbers we are having 0 in the whole number part. So we have to check the first decimal place, 008. So 8 is the greater. In these two we have to check the next decimal place. Here 8, here 0. So 0 is the first smaller number. So 0.008. Which is the smaller one? 0.008 is the smaller. Then the next one is 0.08. 0.08. Then 0.80. Then 8.0 is the greatest number. So this is the ascending order for the given decimal numbers. Is it clear? Next we are going to arrange the decimals in descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange it from greater number to smaller number. Similarly we are going to identify the greater number. First step we have to check the whole number part. 6, 6, 0, 4. So 6 is the greater number. Here in these two decimal numbers we are having 6. So we have to check the first decimal place. In both the numbers 4 is there. So we have to check the next one. Here 0, here 6. So which is greater? 6.46 is the greater. So descending order, 6.46 is the greater. Then 6.4. Okay. Then 4 is the next. 4.66 and 0.646 is the smallest number. So this is the descending order for the given decimal numbers. Okay, the next one, 7 is the whole number. Here there is 0. Decimal part is not there, so 0. Here 4, whole number part is 4. Here whole number part is 7. here 0. So 7 is greater. Here the decimal part is 0. Okay, here 7.4. 7.0, 7.4. So 7.4 is the greatest number. So 7.4 is the greater number, then 7, then 4.7, then 0.47 is the smaller. Okay, this is the descending order for the given decimal numbers. Okay, the next question, 0.95, 9.5, 95.0, 0.095. First we have to compare the whole number part 0, 9, 95, 0. While comparing the whole number part, we can say that 95 is the greater number, isn't it? So 95.0 is the greater number. Then here we are having 9. So 9.5 is the next greater number. In these two we are having 0 in a whole number part. So we have to check the first decimal place. Here 9 is there, here 0 is there. Which is greater? 9 is greater. So 0.95. Then the last one is 0.095 is the smallest. So this is the descending order for the given set of decimal numbers. Then the last question, 9.21, 19.2, 2.91 and 1.29. We have to check the whole number part. 9, 19, 2, 1. While comparing the whole number part, we can say that 19 is the greater. So descending order, 19.2 is the first greater number, then 9.21 is the next, then 2.91 is the next, then 1.29 is the smallest one. So this is the descending order for the given decimal numbers. Is it clear, children? In this video you have learned to identify the like decimals, to convert the unlike decimals to like decimals, to compare the decimal numbers, to write the decimal numbers in ascending order and descending order. Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you, children.